Hello, my friends. Some news just came down the wire, and I thought I would share it with you because it pertains to the things that I build, things that I'm interested in, the things that I do. Words are still hard. I don't know when they started. Well, it says 7 years here. Monster Model Works is, well, closing for as of right now. However, it looks like the business is ripe for being purchased by a company. If you are a company looking for some great tips on how to improve your wood kit design process, I think Monster Model Works is probably one of the companies you should look into purchasing, because I think that Jimmy Simmons did something that few people do with a laser cutter. He actually rendered the brick, and that is something that nobody else really does. I know that ITLA was doing it in the early stages. However, it is a unique process that really made some amazing kits. Now, honestly, I've never built one of these kits, so I can't say how great the kits were, but one look at the models that Jimmy built, you know that they're capable of being a fantastic kit no matter what happens. So let's just get into the email so you get the true bits, and we'll get out of here. Wham! Oh, it's me too. Not. I can't say it. Lickety split. Let's do it. Lickety split. After 7 years of Monster Model Works is closing, selling the business. The business is still very robust and will still take serious offers from interested parties. We started this business in 2011 during a recession. I had just been let go from a corporate management position that I held for over 12 years. At that time, no one was hiring. Hence, Monster Model Works was born. After 7 years of creating hundreds of products, the process has taken its toll creatively. It's time for a life reboot and a change of direction. Now that the economy is booming, the job market for my skill level is in high demand here in Colorado. I can't resist these opportunities. We have been blessed with thousands of incredible customers over the years, something we will never forget. The website will be open for new orders until Sunday, June 17th, 2018. All orders will be shipped following our current shipping policy posted during checkout. After June 17th, only items in stock will be available to order online. Everyone who orders will be guaranteed to receive their order. We will not be taking any custom orders. We will resend this message as a reminder on June 13th, 2018. We deeply appreciate all your support over the last 7 years. It has been an incredible ride. Regards, Jimmy and Lisa Simmons. Wow. So, like I said, Jimmy Simmons is a very talented artist, and well, it's kind of sad to see him go. Hopefully he'll stick around. He was kind of like, not like you didn't hear much about him after he left the Scotty Mason show. So good luck in your future endeavors, Jimmy. So until next time, my friends, thanks for watching. And if you like these videos, remember patreon.com/Ron Perry.